chew. 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 Follow square ever receive symbol of the sky. Will estimate discovering new land. Seeking a new friend during of sorrow. Routing. Well, I see everything of the around everything. Simon. Let's solve observer also the moon of the rocket. Wolf clouds right. Become fun to try. Let's. I've just followed. A circle as other way. Sorry about that. All the way after, we calling some pen, some big square friend. There is some 17 of the all to checking out. 7 by 7 with spring love. Whoa, yelder. They can get that high, but I get that the square rainbow. Guess you got to wear lucky. Where you are. This way. I cut some materials you. After 48. And keep on short square. I just found. I just feel rectangle is a tangle for even. It's super cute. Today, I want to show you the hexagon. Find the treasure. You want the flower and the number right? First, I want to do 24 and 12 and 8 and 4 and 2 and 1 and one more separate away and we're going up. One at me and not at me and one at me and one at me and not at me and one at me and fire. Me. "41A uptight, amazing. But not square? Wait and see. What two square? The other day. Near later. What Here Amazing. We set up a serious technical rocket. We just need more power. Work to What is that sound? Why do you make people go? I'm feeling a setting. That what makes me. Oh, you think it's just a problem too? What's your good love? You don't know problem. Computer papa you. We have blood die. Thought better song of ration. K-Injection after Chew. There we say second they complete Chew. Enter one launching love from lander Chew. The square have landed. We did it. The only thing left now left is the square land.
Numberland, we have a problem. I forgot the flag.
Well, grab a bit the bomb. I break the library. We'll flip into. And I promise. No rocket. What's the barony? Chew. 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 Hello. Looking for that.